Hi everyone and welcome to the tutorial on using stamp filters. So this tutorial will be strictly going over how to use stamp filters and how to add them. So the first thing we want to do is add some stamps. We're going to go to add layer and I'm already under imagery. For this tutorial we're going to be using CTX stamps. And here you can add individual IDs or additional parameters that we go over in different tutorials. But for this case, we're going to click the Set Long Lat Bounds to View. It should pop up saying Main View. This is basically saying you want to add all the stamps that you can see within the long lat values of your main view. So we're going to say OK. And close this out. And now you can see we have a bunch of stamps in our main view. And if you look at your Panner view, you can see all the stamps within this red box. This red box indicates that that's your main view. So let's double click our layer and go to filters. And now we're going to say add a filter by pressing the plus button. You can add multiple filters to a particular query, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to add one. Say OK. And now we're going to dock this window just to make it a little easier so we can see it at the same time. So right now you'll notice that you see every stamp that we loaded. You're going to want to click filter by incidence angle. And you'll see that there are values within these boxes. You can fill those in individually, or you can move the scroll bar. And as I move it, you'll see that more and more stamps are being added. And if you watch your Panner view at the bottom, you'll see that the stamp locations are actually changing. And that's because this is your center point. So you can add additional features, as I said. We're going to do that just to show you what it looks like. We'll say OK. You'll see that this filter is added to our view. Once again, you have to click this box to see it, to use any of the parameters, otherwise it will be grayed out. Well, that's it for filters for stamps. Thanks for joining me.